redecorating or reorganizing my hygiene products. So first and foremost, I am so sorry that I haven't been posting for a long time. It's been a lot going on that I've been trying to get together, but your girl is back like I never left before. I am going to be consistent. I'm not doing no more of that slacking because this is not just YouTube for me. This is actually like something that I want to do, and this is actually my career. So your girl finna get back on game, you know what I mean? First and foremost, if you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below and become a part of the Pretty Gang, because if you are a part of the Pretty Gang, what are you doing? Make sure you comment down below what you guys would like to see next. Tell me what you liked about this video, what you would love to see more of, what I could do better. You know, let me know. Give me some critical feedback. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First things first, as you can see, this thing is like a hot mess. I actually seen this girl do this video. I was inspired by her doing the video, but a lot of people do it. I'm gonna try to put a picture right here, but a lot of people do this video, and I've been wanting to do it for a while. So here you girl go. So I'm just turning it so you can see it a little bit. So at the top here, I got my perfumes. It's pretty much my body sprays and perfumes. And then right here was supposed to be like lotions and stuff like that. First of all, because my lips is crusty. Lotions and deodorants, and then it's another rack down here that you can't see, but I'm gonna make it so you can see like hair products and stuff like that. But again, it's all over the place, so we're gonna take everything down and rearrange it shelf by shelf. This right here is a cleansing bottle. This is my holy grail. You know, you go up your boyfriend's house, you trying to be, you know what I'm saying? You gotta freshen up this before and after, so that way he can be like, man, that thing's fresh, you know what I'm saying? They love when it stay fresh, you know? Not only that, just in general, when you're going places, it's nice to have this in your bag just when you feel the love and you wanna freshen up, especially if it's that time of month. This is major key. Corner, I have some perfumes right here. This is the Prada Candy perfume right here, and as you can see, your girl's a little out, so I gotta get some more soon. That is my signature scent right now, but I might change it because it is the summer. Then I got this Guess Seductive perfume, real cute. This right here is just some little cheap perfume that I got from City Trends. Y'all, I love City Trends. Green Petals by, who is this by? I don't know right here what it's by, but I just really liked how it smelled, and I liked that it was 10 bucks and it's this size. Great summer scent. Like, it just smells, oh, it smells so good, especially for the summer. Like, and for 10 bucks, you can't beat it. Perfume I got, and I need to get some more perfume, is this. This is also, as you can see, this is like pretty much almost gone. This is the Rihanna, I said Rihanna, who is Rihanna? Let me stop playing with her. Rihanna, the queen, Rihanna, Le Bleu, third grader pronunciation. The name of it and stuff. And this, y'all, I think I paid like 14, 15 bucks for it from Marshalls. If y'all looking for where to get your perfume from, go to Marshalls. But this right here was about 14, 15 bucks. I really, really love the smell of it. Okay, so now I'm back. I just went and found a lot of my hygiene products in the bathroom cabinet. And I'm gonna take everything on this shelf off. Body spray, scissors. She picked it up. No, long time no see. How have you guys been? Have you guys been good or good? Are you really good? God bless you. My honey pot. I love this stuff. Buy it. It's like what's better than that? Okay. I'm gonna put this there, breath. I love this stuff. If you are a person who wants to get your breath fresh, like no like bad breath at all, get this. Love it. Cause I think you guys seem to like longer content. I need to start pushing out longer videos. Then I got this Satin Care Gillette Satin Care Shave Cream. I like this, but I only would recommend using it on like your legs, underarms, everywhere that's not your downstairs area, because it seems like it's supposed to be sensitive, but it doesn't seem like it on my downstairs area. Look at how much better it looks, guys. Oh my gosh, I feel so responsible, so put together, even though I'm not. Getting body polish. Y'all, I don't exfoliate that much as I should. Am I the only girl who does that? Like, I should really be exfoliating all the time. Not all the time, but majority. And I don't do it like that. Pretty Cookie bikini batter, and this is just a max for your downstairs area. If you're somebody that waxes, this is perfect for you, or shave. It helps lighten your downstairs area and get rid of bikini bumps, ingrown hairs, dark spots. It helps, really does. I'm gonna put it right here. I don't know, really good right there. Can y'all see me? Perfect, that should be fine. Flora scent boost for your hair. I love this stuff. If your hair is like just dull and boring, liven it up with this. It'll make you smell so good. You gonna walk past people and they're gonna just be like, oh girl, you smell good. This thing. Your ass smells good. It's this. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, organizing your stuff will make you just like, it's just another level of happiness. I don't know how to explain it. Just try it and then comment down below and you get what I'm saying. Okay, I'm finally done and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. So before I do that, I hope you guys really like this video. If you do, make sure you thumbs it up, Comment down below what you guys want to see next, and then make sure you subscribe and a part of the Pretty Gang, because if you aren't a part of the Pretty Gang, what are you doing? Until next time, Pretty Gang, peace.